I am going to teach about the 5th class social studies, 5th lesson, monarchs of India. Have you ever seen children? Charminar, Taj Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri, and Sanchi Stupa, and Iron Pillar. These all are called the monuments. Who built these monuments, children? Kings or monarchs. Monarchs means kings, those who are ruled our country in the early times. They are powerful kings. They were powerful kings in the previous early times. They rule a large subcontinents of our India. So they are our India has a his heritage and civilization country. We should call our country is a civilization country. And we found so many kinds of so many different types of kings. Who are they? Who they were? First one is the Mauryan dynasty. Those are Maurya dynasty, Gupta dynasty, Vardhamana dynasty, and Mughal Empire. Do you know Mughal Empire? Akbar, Babur, Jahangir. These are the Mughal Empire. And last one is the Chola dynasty. These are the dynasties we will discuss in this lesson. The first dynasty is the Maurya dynasty. The founder of the Maurya dynasty is Chandragupta Maurya, who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya. He is belongs to 321 297 BCE. BCE means before Common Era. Means before Common Era. And means the when the Christ is birth on that time we should call the before Common Era. BC means before era. Okay, this is the dynasty of Chandragupta Maurya. Who built who the first founder of the Maurya dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya is the first emperor of the Mauryan dynasty. And in 321 BCE, he became the ruler of Magadha. He became the ruler of Magadha in which year? 321 BCE. 1, 2, 3. It is easy to remember. 1, 2, 3. 321 BCE. He was the emperor of the ruler of the Magadha. Magadha is one of the kingdom. So in that kingdom, he is the emperor of this dynasty. He was guided by his able advisor Kautilya, and we should call him also Chanakya. He was very wise, and he gives some advices to this Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, in their court, he take his advices. Whose advices? Kautilya's advices. If he have any problems and his kingdom has any problems, he get the Kautilya's advices. And he was very wise and able person in his kingdom. Who? Kautilya. And also we should call him as a Chanakya. Chanakya and Kautilya. If you call him Chanakya and Kautilya. Conquest. He built a single empire by bringing together the small, fragmented kingdoms of the country. He built a single empire. He don't build a part of a country. He want to build a single empire by bringing together the all small villages, small places all joined together, and he built a one single empire and fragmented kingdoms of the country. And he defeated Seleucus Nicator. He a general in the army. In his army, one of the great Nicator is there. What is his name? He was a Alexander the Great, and he expanded his kingdom to parts of Afghanistan. Alexander Graham Bell is the one of the great and bravest army general he expanded his kingdom to parts of Afghanistan. Afghanistan, where is Afghanistan on the map? That is north side of the north to west. Between north and west, we found the Afghanistan, Pakistan. Those are the countries we found on the that side. And Afghanistan, he almost covered the entire India. He almost covered the entire India subcontinents. Okay, who covered the subcontinents and almost Indian subcontinents? Chandragupta Maurya. He was the first emperor of India, and he covered the almost subcontinent of India. And after his death, the large empire built by him was inherited by his son Bindusara. His son name is Bindusara. After the death of Chandragupta Maurya, who is getting the these all empire? Bindusara. Bindusara is getting these all empire and ruled as his father, and he followed the rules and regulation of his father. He was belongs to Magadha dynasty. Magadha dynasty, Maurya dynasty. Okay, children, thank you. This is about the